Alright, back once again. Still out here in Arizona. I am at Larry H. Miller, CDJR. And I decided to browse through the parking lot, see what's going on. And man, they got everything you want, everything. But in particular, I ran across something I think is fantastic. We about to check it out. Now, y'all know I love this Durango Hellcat. Now, this Durango here, I have never seen in person. This is that new color. I know I've seen it on the new Jeeps. Yo, this look good. This looks so good. I don't know what to say. Now, I said I wanted a black one, but man, oh, and it's got red seats too. You talk about killing the game? Oh my God. Uh-oh. This puppy's unlocked. Ooh, Jesus. Yeah, buddy. I'm loving this. And see, you got, it's totally black on this side. When the sun's not hitting it, black Durango. This means you can do all kind of bank robberies. You can do drug deals. I mean, anything you want at night. No one will have any idea that you're in this color Durango. $109, huh? I can't see the color. I forgot the color name on this thing. They want 118. They still marking them up. But man, when this hits the used market, baby, whoo, Lord have mercy. This is a new gray too. This is a new different color. I like. I'm gonna get hit up by salesmen any minute, and I'm just letting y'all know it's coming. This is Destroyer Gray, I'm pretty sure. That's just a GT or whatever. Another Hellcat in the reactor blue or Frostbite. I forget. Did they change it? Don't know. But man, where else in the world do you see 3 brand new Hellcats? And I'm talking, this was 119. This is a 24. Nice, man. Oh, yeah, buddy. It's not over. It is not over. We still got some left, baby. We still got some Mopar in us. Somebody's gonna come pick this up. I already know. Fire. Our Rebels. We got the little, got a whole bunch of colors here. That lets me know this is some kind of hot. Nope. All SXTs and RTs, SXTs, GTs. Yeah, that's all 6s. Which, you know, I'm not mad at 6s. I'm really not mad at 6s, but we know how we need Hemis on our right feet, baby. Yeah, got some scatties. A couple of good scatties over here. Man. It's all right, though. That's quite all right. I tell you, I miss being in my Hemi. I miss being behind the wheel of my Hemi, but for the time being, I'll tell you one more time, that thing is so fire. I don't know what to do. That's, I never knew they came in that color. All right. Well, get back in the air conditioning. We're sitting in 93-degree temperatures out here, so I am going to just chill out. I haven't been attacked by a salesman. That's crazy. I don't even see any. Oh well. So I'm sitting here in a $125,000 Lincoln. You would think maybe they don't know it's a rental. You know what I mean? Maybe I'm gonna give it up for that Durango. Baby, that Durango had red seats in it. I opened the door. That mug is hard. 118,000 they want for the thing. They got it marked up 10 racks. It's only like 108 on the sticker, but they want 118 for it. The other one over there, it's three Hellcats, and the other one over there, the gray one, they want 119 for some reason. This one here is gonna kill the game. I'm telling you. When these start hitting the streets, when somebody feel like they want to pay this markup, I'm waiting for it to hit the used market. I don't know how many of this color they're gonna make. This little, like it's a root beer wine. I mean, man, it got FC7 whooped. It got plum crazy, hell raisin whooped. I mean, that's a sick ass color. Yeah. And they also put it on some Jeeps. I think I have seen a Wagoneer with that color, but on the Durango, good Lord. All you need to do is rim it up. Get rid of them big old ashy ass sidewalls and them 20s. Put some proper 22s on there, some lightweight 22s. Bring it down a little bit. You will be absolutely murdering the streets with that. And like I said, at nighttime it's black. Yeah, right. So you can do all kind of dirt. And that's not even an issue. It's not even an issue. I already did tell everybody they could do all that stuff, but they weren't listening, I'm sure. So anyway, people, I'm signing off from the Dodge lot, and it is what it is. Thank you for watching.